If you're planning to apply for a mortgage in the UK, the process starts with getting your paperwork in order. Lenders want a clear picture of your finances, so having everything ready can make the process smoother and quicker. You'll usually need your most recent utility bills, proof of any benefits you receive, your P60 from your employer, and your last 3 months of payslips. You'll also need photo ID, like a passport or driving license, and bank statements covering the last 3 to 6 months. If you're self-employed, you'll need accounts for the last 2 or 3 years from an accountant, plus your SA 302 tax return. If you earn from multiple sources, include bank statements or other records that match what's on your tax return. You'll also need proof of your deposit. This could be savings statements or a letter confirming a gifted amount. When you fill in the application, make sure everything matches your documents exactly. Even small differences, like rounding up your salary, can slow things down. You'll also need to provide details about the property you're buying, including the address, estate agent, and your solicitor's information. Some lenders may ask for more documents, so it's worth checking with them or your mortgage advisor before you start. Also, many won't accept online printouts of bank statements or bills unless they're certified, so be ready to get hard copies or official copies from your provider. With the right documents in hand, you'll be in a much better position to move your application forward without delays.